It's my wonderful device for filming Hot Wheels, Matchbox and other reviews. It's my second camera. Some of you asking what do I use to film my Hot Wheels and Matchbox and other diecast reviews. So I must answer to you guys. I using this wonderful cell phone. It's Samsung S8 Plus. It's my second camera. The first camera that I filming on right now is the Samsung S10 Plus, also a cell phone, mobile phone. Most time I film my reviews on the cell phones, guys. Cell phones are easy to make reviews. They have many abilities to make wonderful reviews. They have a great quality. If you have a good photo model, you can make a wonderful video from your phone. Much better from other type of cameras. It's easy. You can easily check what you're filming on it, and I'm using some kind of monopods, tripods for filming, like this Joby. I love Joby company because these tripods you can use on any surfaces. You can even mount it on the tree, for example, or on the wall, or on the sofa, or on other surface you want to mount it because of these legs. Wonderful tripod for filming. I hope guys you will like this guide for tripods. If you want to buy a good tripod for your cell phone, buy something from the Joby. It's expensive, but it's great for cell phones for filming. This is a little one. They have much bigger tripods than this, so you can take a big tripod if you want, but it will be more expensive than this. Also, you should take the cell phone mount for the tripod, or tripod with a cell phone mount with it. You can easily find and buy mount for your cell phone separately from tripods. It must have screw place like this. It's easily installed on your phone. You just use this, put inside on this mount your phone and screw it up, and it's fixed. Then you just need to place this on the tripod and fix it like this. Hop, 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 hop. And it's funny. It's always funny when you do this by one hand. I show you some of my secrets, guys. I hope many of you who are filming Hot Wheels or other movies, maybe you write in the comment what do you use to film your videos on YouTube, guys. Please write in the comments what do you use to film your wonderful videos with the Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars, with your diecast reviews on YouTube. What do you use, guys? Please write in the comments. So, the other thing I use for filming my reviews is DJI Osmo Pocket camera. I use it not often, but it's very easy to operate. It have a stabilization system. It's very easy to operate. You only press this button and your camera is ready. You can see here stabilization working. It's one of my best camera. You just need to press record button and you can start to film your review. It also have a great mic inside. DJI Osmo Pocket Cam. It's wonderful. It's not very much expensive. It costs about $300, but it's great for reviews, for the street reviews, for the vlogging. Of course, it's great. So let's turn it off. Wonderful camera. I use it not as much as my cell phones for reviews, but this camera is overall great, and it's little, it's small, It can be easily placed in your pocket. It has a stabilization in the camera, mechanical stabilization, electronic one. It has an electronic stabilization system inside of this camera, so your video will be very much stabilized like you're filming on the Pro camera. And this DJI Osmo Pocket provide also a great picture quality. What do I use Osmo Pocket? This phone, Galaxy S9 Plus and Galaxy S8 Plus. This is my filming stuff for my diecast reviews, guys. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to write in the comments what do you use to film your own reviews, guys. It will be pleasant to read about your stuff, your phones or your cameras, and it will be pleasant to discuss with you in the comments what do you use. Don't forget to press like, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I hope this review will be useful for those who didn't know what to use to film their own reviews.